Dear students, welcome to the next sessions. Here I will discuss the difference between the structural organization between the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. Hope all of you can see the slide. We came to know what are the different structural components, architecture of both the type of cells, that is eukaryotes and the prokaryotes. Now we will focus on the particular differences between these two type of cells. First of all, prokaryotes are the primitive cells mainly found in unicellular organisms. It is believed that eukaryotes evolved from the prokaryotes approximately 2.7 billion years ago. Prokaryotes actually do not have the nucleus. The name prokaryotes came from the Greek origin, Greek word pros means before, and karyon means not, referring to the nucleus. Unicellular organisms, so prokaryotes are unicellular organisms that lacks nucleus, mitochondria, or any other organelle. Okay, all the intracellular components here are located together in the cytoplasm, enclosed by the cell membrane rather than any separate cellular components. Whereas eukaryotes, the name again came from the Greek word. Eu means true and karyon means not, referring to the nucleus. So the cells have nucleus and organelles enclosed within true membranes. It may be multicellular and include organisms consisting of many cell types forming different kinds of tissue. So, the fundamental differences of the prokaryote, here you can see the original tame image of a prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, all the intracellular architecture, it is visible here. And now we will see the fundamental difference in a listed manner, tabular format, the fundamental difference of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. First of all, in the list, you can see that eukaryotic nucleus. Eukaryotic nucleus is truly membrane bound, where DNA resides in a very organized form, forming complexes with positively charged histone protein. No such nuclear organization and membrane found in prokaryotes. So, membrane bound organized form of nucleus is only visible when it comes from to the eukaryotic cells. Next, chromosome is single circular, whereas eukaryotic chromosomes are linear. Next, plasmids are rare in eukaryotes, and it is very common in prokaryotes, bacterial cells. Nucleolus is absent in prokaryotes. Mitochondria, membrane-bound organelles, other membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, all are absent in prokaryotes. Chloroplast, all are absent in prokaryotes. Cytoskeleton is another important feature of eukaryotic cell, which is completely absent in prokaryotes. Whereas both like prokaryotes and eukaryotes have ribosomes, but of different size. You can see here that the size of bacterial ribosome is 70S, and in case of eukaryotes, it is 80S, whereas S is actually Sedberg constant. So, in summary, from this session, we came to know what are the different important features, difference between the structural and organizational part between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Thank you.